Hello guys, this is Dr. Sajadwani. I'm currently working in finance department under the government of J&K. I've received so many queries regarding the income tax calculation and I thought to make this video to clear some of the confusions. In this video we will focus on HRA. So this video is an illustrative calculation of house rent allowance under the section 10 subsection 13A of the Income Tax Act in respect of all the residential accommodations situated in Srinagar or any part of the state of J&K in case of an employee below the age of 60 years. That means he has not retired yet, with a valid PAN furnished to the employer. It is to be kept in mind that if a government employee fails to furnish a valid PAN number, his income can be taxed at a higher rate, which may be on 20%. So let's assume that the components of salary include the basic pay amounting to 3,50,000 for the year, DA amounting to 2 lakh per year, and house rent allowance amounting to 1,40,000. So the government employee, he is receiving a basic pay from the government 3,50,000, the DA of 2 lakh, and the HRA of rupees 1,40,000 in the year. Let's assume that he resides in a rented house and he pays a rent of 1,40,000 per annum to the landlord. He subscribes to GP fund at the rate of 36,000 for the year, and he pays a premium to life insurance at the rate of 4,000 per annum. So how we can calculate the salary? The salary means the basic pay plus DA plus HRA. Here it is 3,50,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1,40,000. That amounts to rupees 6,90,000. That means income from salary is 6,90,000 in this case. How can we deduct the HRA or rent? So we have to deduct house rent allowance, which has been exempted under section 10 subsection 13A of the Income Tax Act. We have to consider the three options available to us and we have to see which one is the least. For example, here the actual amount of HRA received, here it is rupees 1,40,000, and the expenditure of rent in excess of 10% of the salary. Salary means DA plus basic pay. Here basic pay is 3,50,000, DA is 2 lakh, the total is 5,50,000. 10% of 5,50,000 is 55,000. So the expenditure of rent in excess of 10% of salary means the rent paid by him, that is 1,44,000, minus 10% of the salary, that amounts to rupees 89,000 here. And the third condition is 40% of the salary, that means 40% of basic pay plus GA. Here it is 40% of 5,50,000, that amounts to 2,20,000. We have to see which one among these is the least. In this case the second one is the least, that is 89,000. So deduction of HRA from income is as total salary income 6,90,000. We will deduct HRA exempt under section 10 subsection 13A as 89,000 in this case because it was the least among the three. So the gross total income is 6,01,000. So there are some deductions to be made under section 80C. We will deduct GP fund, we will deduct SLI premium. That amounts to 36,000 plus 4,000. The total is 40,000. So the total income, gross total income is 6,01,000 after we have deducted HRA under section 10 subsection 13A, and we have made deductions under section 80C to the tune of 40,000. So the total income is 5,61,000, which is to be taxed. Since the total income is rupees 5,61,000, the 2,50,000 out of 5,61,000 has already been exempted. So you don't need to pay any tax for rupees 2,50,000. So the taxable income in this case is rupees 3,11,000. Income of rupees 2,50,000 out of rupees 3,11,000 at the rate of 5% is 12,500, and income of 61,000 out of 3,11,000 is at the rate of 20%, that is it is taxed at the rate of 20%, that is 12,200. So the total income tax is 24,700. To this income tax we have to add the primary education cess at the rate of 2% of the income tax to be paid, that is 2% of 24,700 in this case, that is 494, and 1% of the secondary and higher education cess at the rate of 1%, that is 24,000 into 1 divided by 100, that comes to 247. This amount is to be added to the taxable to the income tax. That is 24,700 plus 494 plus 247. That is 25,441. This is the total income tax payable. But income tax is payable after it is being rounded off to the nearest 10. In this case, the income tax to be paid is 25,440. And the important point to be remembered here is that the house rent allowance granted to an employee who is residing in a house or flat owned by him is not exempt from income tax. So guys, this is all about HRA and income tax. If you have any queries, contact me on my email ID, Facebook or Insta. Thank you for watching this video.